Hi guys, today we have iHome iP1. Is an old speaker from Apple that we are going to show you how to replace or to fix the motherboard because this device doesn't power on at all. I will show you step by step how to take out the motherboard and replace it if it's not possible to repair. Let me guide you to the repair. Go. Okay, first things that we are going to do is to plug the charger and show you that doesn't work. Okay, after I plug the charger, here this one needs to be blue, like where you press it, it will show you like lights here, but it doesn't power on. Now what I'm going to do is remove the screws and inspect the motherboard to see what's going on, and if we are able to repair, we can repair. If not, we can replace the motherboard because we have a used motherboard for this device. Okay, first thing, we will remove those 4 screws that are on the bottom. Okay, after we remove the screws and the back cover, now we are going to inspect the motherboard to see if we can find any issues here. Let's grab the multimeter and open to the diode mode and start some inspection of on the logic board. One pin we can put it to the ground, and another one we can start inspect some caps or diodes or transistors, smaller one. Okay, it looks like the motherboard is completely fried because I don't see any shortage, but maybe this chip here is fried, and we have a used motherboard that we can replace it. We are going to replace because this is an old device, and it's better to replace the motherboard than spend time and fix this motherboard because it's not worth it. The price of the replacing the motherboard is cheaper than the price that we might repair this motherboard because it takes more time. Okay, we are going to remove those cables that are on the motherboard. Okay, now we are going to remove some screws that are here. Okay, this is about the motherboard. We have the new one. It's here. We can replace this one, and 99% the problem will be resolved. Okay, we are connecting those cables back to the motherboard, are the small flex cable of this panel here on the front. Okay, the difficulty parts was done. We installed those two flex cables here. Now we will install other cables like that are on the motherboard. And those are for the speaker. Those two are for the front panel here, like power on buttons, and those two here are for the speaker. And this is for the power. Okay, now we will install the screws that are also around the motherboard. Now we will put the back cover back to the place. Okay, perfect. Now we will make a test, connect the power to the power cable here, and here starts, and you see here the lights that the speakers was power on right now and is ready for connect to the Bluetooth. Yep, everything looks good, and it was easy for us to replace the motherboard because the parts is not very expensive. The motherboard is not expensive, and it's better to replace it than start to spend a lot of time to read the diagram on the motherboard and find the faulty component here. 99% is cheap here because we didn't find any shortage around, but could be maybe one of the cap or maybe this one. Yep. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and we are going to make another video next time. Thank you.